I'm interested in getting a 2020, well, I wanted a 2024 on sale and everything, but nobody has any up here. So I have a totally disabled son with cerebral palsy, and he has trouble with bucket seats.
Hey, Sarah, it looks like we got a bunch. He doesn't know. So, before you hang up the phone, expand the inventory. Is that a real sale? Let me see if I can grab it. It might be a real sales call. Thank you for calling. This is Kyle.
I was told by to ask for Eva.
Oh, okay. Let me see if she is available. Give me just 1 second, please. Did you need assistance with the vehicle, or were you trying to check on inventory? Or
No, I just talked to.
okay.
Because was about to buy a car and so forth, and they told me they have deals with. And unfortunately, the only one she referred me to is you folks. So we're a long way apart, but she said that they have a contract with you, told me to call you folks and ask you what you have available in a 2025.
Let me check on the 2025. Now, are you looking for...
Because obviously I don't want to leave and drive all the way down there.
Yeah. And we have home delivery, too. We could do that for you as well.
Oh, well, that sounds fantastic, because I happen to be 82 years old.
What? You don't sound 82. I don't know what an 82-year-old sounds like, but you sound like you,
You know, in other words, I drive to Long Beach and so forth, but I don't really want to go all the way to Plano Park if I don't have to.
Yeah, I don't blame you one bit. And are you looking at just nice SUVs in that price range, or?
Yes, let me explain.
Sure.
I have owned 5
Whoa.
in the last 100 years, okay?
Whoa.
And I am currently driving a 2017.
Nice.
All right, and I had a before this one, and so I'm interested in getting a 2020. Well, I wanted a 2024 on sale and everything, but nobody has any up here. Do you have a 2024 that's new?
I'll check and I'll see if we have any 2024s, and I'll see what 25s we have available too. What are you going to do with your 17?
Well, I was going to trade it in, but the dealer here wouldn't give me what it's worth, okay? Was only going to offer me $9,000, so I said, forget it, I'll sell it myself.
Now,
By the way, it's only got 27,000 miles.
oh, cool. You bought that brand new?
Yes.
Fantastic. And we need cars, especially cars like that. And, you know, part of the benefit of talking to us, we're in a super competitive market. I mean, we're in LA, Orange County, so, you know, just...
Yeah, but you're a long way from Ventura County.
Oh, I know. Well, if we need to, we'll come deliver it. And if I got to drive that 17 back, it's only got 27,000 miles, I know I'll make it back here okay. We'll figure that out. All right, Miss Sarah, you know what? Actually, I could probably check on this for you real quick. You hang on just a second?
Oh, sure, I don't mind waiting. I just thought if you needed more time that you could call me back.
Oh, no, I appreciate it. Give me just 1 second here. Hey, Sarah, it looks like we got a bunch of the 25s. Gosh, we would love to buy your vehicle. The last thing I'd ever ask you to do is come out here without a reason. If all the money and stuff was right, could you come out this afternoon or this evening, or will we need to deliver the car to you?
By the way, this is not financing. I am going to write a check for
Nice.
the car.
Fantastic. Makes it easy.
Okay, no financing, and unless you can give me a good deal on my car, there won't be a trade-in either.
Yeah, well, I think we're going to buy your car. If we don't buy your car, what are you going to do with it?
I'll sell it myself. What I actually wanted when I bought this car, they had an emerald green or British racing green with tan leather interior, but it did not come with a bench seat, which I had hoped to get because I have a totally disabled son with cerebral palsy, and he has trouble with bucket seats. But the ones in 2025, if they lift up, and I've already tried getting him in a 2025, and he had no trouble.
Do you text message or no?
No.
Okay.
But when I have a friend coming over after 3, and he does some chores for me. He's a friend of my grandson's, and he can text back and forth. Okay. So maybe we could do that then. But what do you have? In other words, what are we talking about money-wise and bottom line out the door? I know you have to add tax and license and everything to the but I got the impression that with the or Costco, I get a discount anyway from
Yeah.
the manufacturer's suggested retail price.
No, yeah, we're gonna get aggressive on the discount. We'll definitely make it worth your time. It'll be kind of fun to drive out here. You know, we're right by Disneyland. Not that, but you know, there's a bunch of nice restaurants and stuff. If you want to go Disneyland, we'll take you. You want to go Disneyland?
Yeah, that would take me over 2 hours to drive there.
That's all right. Nice. No, that's fantastic. We'll get this all squared away, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Either way.
Okay.
So we made the deal with the nice lady from Ventura. There it is. How old was she?
She's 83 years old, and she's happy as can be.
Yay! And she takes care of her disabled son, and she's got her daughters involved and all this stuff. I said that you're probably not leaving that house for an hour or two, and I almost guarantee she's going to feed you, which would be nice.
I'm excited.
Nice lady, nice car.